Hi, everybody. Uh, First of all, I would want to thank the people who were concerned about me and who asked me how I'm doing. I am fine now. Thank you so much. I was not very much good with energies, and I was not feeling, um, or just perfect about myself. And I don't want to. Uh, come forward with low energy because I know a lot many people to listen to me and I don't want that energy to reach to anybody else. So first of all, thank you so much for being so concerned for me and I felt really grateful. So yes, today we are on day 18th and just few more days to go and then we'll be done with mirror work and then we have to practice it again and again. So, yes, day 18 is about receiving your prosperity. Okay. Now, lately you must be listening a lot many, lot many people talking about abundance, happiness. What is it? Like, what is abundance? What is prosperity? Like, only just the monetary benefit, or there is something more related to it? So, if you see a broader term of it, you will realize that prosperity is not just flow of money in your life, but there is much more to it, Having a feeling of contentment, having a feeling of, oh my God, I'm so grateful I have more than enough in terms of each and everything. Okay. Now, what you feel, the the energy and the vibrations on which you are vibrating, you will be attracting that only. So today we'll be talking about how we can be a magnet for money, for prosperity, for abundance. This means I'm talking about relationship, health, uh, money, opportunities, respect. So for me, all of this is prosperity. So today we'll be learning about how to become a magnet for that. So, are you a magnet for miracles, money, prosperity, and abundance? Today, you learn how you can be when you open yourself to receiving. This is good time to go back and look at the notes you wrote in your journal when you first started this course. Do you see how much you have learned? Can you see how much more comfortable you are with saying your affirmations in front of your mirror? You are a magnet of miracles. Yes. I am sure that those ones who have actually followed it since the beginning and doing it till today with continuity, and even if we missed on a few days in between and we did not conducted the sessions, but like many people texted me and they asked me and they repeated what they were doing. So for listening to all of them, the bottom line is that they all felt much more comfortable and confident in front of the mirror. So today we are going to be like, I am a magnet for miracles. I am a magnet for miracles. Do you believe that you're also a magnet for money, prosperity, and abundance? There is so much abundance in the world just waiting for you to experience it. There is more money than you could ever spend. There is more joy than you could ever imagine. There are more people than you could ever meet. If you fully understand this, you will realize that you can have everything you need and desire. Yes. Now, go back in time. In when we are being brought up, बहुतों के घर में, this is a common statement that you will get to hear. पैसे पेड़ पे थोड़ी उगते हैं, ऐसे मत स्पेंड करो, वैसे मत स्पेंड करो, ये मत करो, वो मत करो. So there is this always this vibration of scarcity कि कमी हो जाएगी, ये करेंगे तो कमी हो जाएगी. Then there is this vibration of fear. Fear is always there around. Why? What kind of a fear? हाय मैंने बचाया नहीं तो ये हो जाएगा, हाय मैंने ये नहीं किया तो वो हो जाएगा. So this is something which is always rotating. Right? This is what happens. Now see, अगर किसी ने ये फंडा समझ लिया ना, बेसिक सा, कि हर चीज घूम के आता है ना, जब आप देते हो तो वो घूम के आएगा और वो आपको मिलेगा, राइट? In the same way, the money is also going like that. If you want more money in your life, उसको gratitude के साथ, खुशी के साथ उसको देना भी शुरू करो, rather than हाय आज 1 तारीख हो गई, शिट यार सबको सैलरी देनी होगी. दे रहे सैलरी, पता है उस बंदे से मैंने पूरे महीने काम कराया है, बट what is the thing, I am having a feeling हाय, देते वक्त भी, उसको पैसे देते वक्त भी हाय निकल रहा है दिल से. why आपको पता था आपको उसको पैसा देना होगा, उस बंदे ने आपके लिए पूरे महीने काम किया है. So why not to give that money with so much of gratitude to that person, that thank you so much, you helped me, you worked for me. आपके बिना मेरा, let's say for example हमारी कुक है, ठीक है, so much of gratitude, उसने दिल से खाना बनाया, जिसको जिसको जो जो चीज चाहिए होता है वो करके देती है, वो कभी शक्लें बना के खाना नहीं देती है, कितनी सारी चीजें, endless things. So once you start doing that with love, even the ones who are working for you, and even the ones who are not working for you, you will start realizing that bank balance बढ़ना शुरू. So this is something that I want you to experience it in your life. Try it out. Start giving with gratitude and see how things changes for you. The power within us is willing to give us our fondest dreams and enormous abundance in an instant. Are you open to receive it? If you want something, the universe doesn't say, I will think about it. It readily responds and sends it through. However, you must be open and ready in order to receive it. Yes. अगर आपने अपनी रिक्वायरमेंट, अपनी चीजों को ही बंद करके रखा हुआ है, हाउ डू यू थिंक कि आपके पास वो चीज खुल करके आएगी, जहां आपको वो जिस अबंडेंस, जिस प्रॉस्पेरिटी कि आप वेट कर रहे हो वो आपको मिले, वो आपके लाइफ में कैसे आए. सो फॉर दैट यू नीड टू बी ओपन टू इट. उसके लिए रास्ता बनाना होगा. वो रास्ता कैसे बनता है? रास्ता ग्रेटिट्यूड से बनता है. वो रास्ता ग्रेटिट्यूड से बनता है. आप थैंकफुल होते हो किसी चीज के लिए, आप अप्रिशिएट करते हो दैट यस थैंक यू सो मच बिकॉज ऑफ दिस इज हैपनिंग. राइट? ट्राई करके देखो इसको. I have noticed that sometimes when people come to my lectures, they sit with their arms folded across their chest. How are they going to let anything in? It's a wonderful gesture to open your arms wide so that the universe notices and responds. Yes. Now I will give you one example. I am a healer, and many a times I'm taking video call sessions while I'm doing the readings, or sometimes even in the counseling session. So there, by God's grace, I'll actually say by God's grace, barely मेरे life में आज तक कोई ऐसे client आए हैं जिन्होंने ये behave किया है. Else by God's grace, I have got wonderful bunch of clients who trust me a lot. So वो इक्के दुक्के clients जिनको शायद मैंने ही attract किया होगा अपने life में, because I belittled myself. So what they actually did is, they did not come for the reading. They came for this thing that, okay, fine, I need to see that how accurate Ankita is with her reading. So this is what they wanted to see. Right? You understood? So what was that? That they wanted to see that whether I am able to give something to them or not, how good I am. So the result was, because they came with that kind of a vibration, what happened? The resultant was that when I started to pull my cards were responding to their energy. My cards were not comfortable giving, the answers to them. The cards were all jumbled up. They were not liking the vibes of it. The same thing, I could feel it, that even I'm not liking. So the way they were giving to it, like they were not ready to receive something which the universe had to offer them via me. They were not ready for that. They came to judge me. So the answers also they got was pretty much judgmental. So when you are going somewhere to learn, let's say if you are coming in a lecture, you are as a student, your teacher is telling you something, and I'm not talking about this particular session. I'm talking about even when you go to school, college, university, whatever, or in any phase of your life when you have gurus or anything wherein you are just learning something, be receptive to it. even as a healer, when you are sending energies and when you are sending healings to somebody, that we always say that be receptive, be open. अगर थॉट प्रोसेस ही बना के रखा है, हाँ एक डिस्टेंस हीलिंग कैसे होगी, पता नहीं बेवकूफ ही बना रहे होंगे, उनका क्या है यार, ये लोग तो हीलर के नाम पे पैसे ले लेते हैं, कुछ नहीं फर्क पड़ता। जब दिमाग में ही यही चीजें हैं, आपको वो चीज पहुंचेगी भी नहीं। So for anything and everything, you have to be receptive equally. You have to be open equally. Got it? Okay. I invite you to do that right now. Stand up, open your arms and say, I am open and receptive to all good and abundance in the universe. Now shut it from the roof. Now shout it from your rooftop for everyone to hear it. So, okay, fine. Right now you cannot do it, but the moment you listen to this thing and you get done with the session, go to your rooftop, go to your balcony, go to any garden and just go ahead and do that. And believe me, you will feel like the most powerful person. Like you will feel, for example, I will share my thing. When I do the same thing under the moon, I feel healed. I feel calm when, you know, I'm standing under full moon, and then when I do it, or even when it's a new moon and I do it, I feel a different kind of a shift in me. Okay. And when I do the same thing, जब sun होता है, rising sun होता है, और तब जब मैं ये चीज करती हूँ, you know, like I open my arms, and when I do this thing, I feel powerful. So again, that is again a different funda, that sun and moon thingy. But yes, this is what happens. Try it out, na? Karke dekho, and then you will see. Because see, this is no theoretical thingy going on. I'm not a guru. I'm not a teacher who is giving you some kind of a gyan. Nothing like that. This is something that I read, I experienced. It helped me. So I'm just putting it across with what is written in this book with my experience. That's all. So yeah, with my experience, I say that पढ़ पढ़ के भी कुछ नहीं होना जब तक आपने उसने अप्लाई नहीं करना. So go ahead and apply it. Prosperity can mean many things: money, love, success, comfort, beauty, time, knowledge. You create prosperity by talking and thinking about your abundance. You cannot create prosperity by talking or thinking about your lack. Yes, that is called as limiting belief. Again, I will not go into that detail, but मैं एक layman language में बताऊंगी आपको that prosperity लोगों को समझ में आता है, हर चीज को सिर्फ पैसे से देखते हैं. Prosperity मतलब पैसा, और तो कुछ आगे पीछे होती ही नहीं है, जबकि ये चीजें नहीं है. Prosperity has everything, just the way I said it in the beginning of the class, that, oh sorry, of this session, that prosperity is everything. Prosperity is love, it is health, it is relationships, and relationship not just of mother, father, brother, sister, husband, wife, but relationship with yourself as well. Relationship with your pet, relationship with your neighbor. How good you feel about yourself? How are you criticizing yourself when you look at the mirror? Oh my God, dark circles are there. Shit, oh my God, like I can see something. Oh my God, I'm not okay with this thing. Or is it like, my God, just I am so happy. Thank you so much. Like, you know, for such good skin. Thank you so much that I can see everything that I want to and experience the beauty of, you know, the world that is there. I can see everything. Because of this, I can read and I can gain so much of knowledge. Thank you so much for that. For each little thing. Thank you to my hair for making me feel so pretty and beautiful. नहीं जी, जब ये झड़ने शुरू हो जाएंगे, तब हाय मैं क्या करूं यार, बाल इतने झड़ रहे हैं, पता नहीं इसको क्या है. उस वक्त भी कोस रहे हैं, पता नहीं इसको क्या है. और याद भी तब आता है जब बिल्कुल हाई टाइम हो जाता है, उसके पहले उस चीज की कीमत नहीं होती है. सो यस, विद दिस थिंग, वन मोर थिंग आई वुड वांट टू ऐड ऑन, दैट ग्रेटिट्यूड और फॉर ग्रांटेड लेना, वो चीज बहुत करीब, बहुत ही थिन लाइन है दोनों के बीच में. कभी कभी आई विल नॉट एक्सप्लेन व्हाट हैपेंड इन माय लाइफ, but I will just say something, you know, like I'll give you one example, and that is, कभी भी किसी चीज को for granted मत लो. कभी भी किसी चीज को for granted मत लो, because तुम्हें नहीं पता कब वो चीज तुम्हारे हाथ से छिन जाए. और कोई भी वो इंसान हो, रिश्ते हो, कुछ भी चीजें हो, सो यस, पे ग्रैटिट्यूड. अगर आपके पास, फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर आपके पास कोई ऐसा इंसान है, कोई ऐसा पार्टनर है जो आपको बहुत प्यार करता है, बहुत रिस्पेक्ट करता है, बहुत इज्जत देता है, तो उसका ग्रैटिट्यूड करो. दैट थैंक यू सो मच दैट आई एम ब्लेस्ड विद सच अ पर्सन. वरना दुनिया के आधे बंदे, जनरली आप ये वेस्टर्न कल्चर में एक्सपीरियंस करोगे, दे हॉप ऑन फ्रॉम वन पर्सन टू अनदर पर्सन इन सर्च ऑफ अ राइट पर्सन. So if at all you are blessed in one go with a good person, respect that person instead of taking that person for granted. ये कहाँ है, कहाँ जाएगा, ओहो ये कहाँ है, कहाँ जाएगी, ओ इससे तो मेरी शादी हो गई है. No, don't do that. Don't do that. Rather give gratitude. Be grateful that, oh my God, because of you I'm able to do, such things in such way. Because जब आप grateful होगे, आपको और खुद से खुद automatically you will be able to see 100 reasons to give gratitude to. और अगर आप नेगेटिव में जाना चाहोगे तो you will see like zillion of reasons not to, not to be grateful about and just to take for granted. You will yourself find reasons to, just like ignore it. So don't do that. Just the way it is written here, that when you concentrate on lack, it only creates more lack. Poverty thinking brings more poverty. Gratitude thinking brings more abundance. Your mirror work is a very powerful tool that will help bring more prosperity in your life. When you allow the abundance of the universe to flow through your experiences, you can receive everything you desire. All it takes is practice and your mirror. Whatever you give out comes back to you always. If you take from life, then life will take from you. It's that simple. You may feel that you do not steal, but you are counting the paper clips and stamps you are taking home from the office. Are you a person who steals times or robs others of respect? All these things are telling the universe, I don't really deserve the good in life. I have to sneak it, steal it. Yes. If you generally, लोगों का broader aspect होता है जी, हम चोरी नहीं करते हैं, हम अच्छे इंसान हैं. हमने किसी को मारा नहीं, हाथ नहीं उठाया, हम बहुत अच्छे इंसान हैं. बट क्या डीपली आपने कभी सोचा है कि आपने शायद किसी के सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट पे बहुत थपेड़े मारे हैं, किसी को बिलिटल किया है, किसी को छोटा फील कराया है, किसी को नॉट सो गुड फील कराया है. शायद किसी के पास इतने पैसे नहीं है तो वो पार्टी में शायद बहुत आपकी तरह डिजाइनर वेयर नहीं पहन के आ सका होगा, कोई नॉर्मल अपने हिसाब से अपना बेस्ट पहन के आया होगा. क्या आपने कभी उसको ऐसी लुक दी है जहां पे उसके दिल में दर्द हुआ हो? Have you ever done that? Even that thing is that you are robbing somebody's emotions. Have you walked on somebody? So all these little things, believe me, maybe right now you're not experiencing and you are at the best phase of your life and you are like, मेरे साथ तो कुछ गलत हो नहीं रहा है, so I am like not doing anything wrong and I'm the best person. The people around me are the best people. But dude, you never know when the time changes. You never know. So this is like, a thing that I want to tell to everybody, that जो भी इसको सुन रहा है, अगर तुम्हारी लाइफ में कुछ बहुत ज्यादा बुरा हो रहा है ना, despite of you being a good person, it's okay. Just hold on. Hold on. If you want to cry it out, cry it out. It's okay. But do not let that experience make you a bitter person. Become a better person. God is there to take care and he will do that. मत सोचना इस चीज को बुरा लगा के कि जिन्होंने तुम्हारे साथ गलत किया है वो आज खुश है. दैट इज टेम्पररी. बिलीव मी, दैट थिंग, इट इज टेम्पररी. क्योंकि जब भगवान करता है ना, इतना डंडा बजाता है, बहुत जोरों की लगती है, बहुत जोरों की. सो यस, keep this thing in mind. Be aware of the belief that may be blocking the flow of money and prosperity in your life. Then use your mirror work to change those beliefs and create new abundant thinking. The best thing you can do if you are having money problem is to develop prosperity thinking. There are 2 prosperity affirmations I have used for many years that work well for me. They will work for you too. They are, my income is constantly increasing and I prosper wherever I turn. कई लोग ये भी नहीं कहते मैं इसको छूता हूं तो सोना बन जाता है. So what is that? That is the prosperity thinking. कि भाई इतना जश है और इतनी लक्ष्मी है मेरे हाथों में कि मैं जिसको हाथ लगाऊं ना वो सोना बन जाएगा. ओहो हो. या कई लोग ऐसे भी होते हैं कि पैसे होते हैं, नहीं होते हैं, पता नहीं क्या सिचुएशन होता है, बट लोगों की सोच जो होती है ना, वो हमेशा बड़ा ही ऊंचा सोचते हैं, मैंने ये करना है, मैंने वो करना है। वो ये नहीं सोचते हैं, हाय मैं ये कब करूंगी या कब करूंगा, जब ऐसा हो जाएगा तब। मतलब देयर इज नो लैक माइंडसेट, देयर इज नो लिमिटिंग बिलीफ, इट इज ऑलवेज लाइक ओहो abundance, abundance, abundance. When something good comes into your life, say yes to it. Open yourself to receiving good. Say yes to your world. Opportunities and prosperity will increase 100-fold. Once a day, stand with your arms open wide and say with joy, I am open and receptive to all the abundance in the universe. Thank you, life. Life will hear you and respond. So let's affirm by putting your hand on your heart. Life supplies all my needs in great abundance, and I trust my life. Wow, it's such a beautiful affirmation. Life supplies all my needs in great abundance, and I trust life. Lovely. Going forward, your day 18 mirror work exercise. Today, your mirror work is going to focus on receiving your prosperity. Stand up with your arms outstretched and say, I'm open and receptive to all good. Now look into the mirror and say it again. I am open and receptive to all good. Let the words flow from your heart. I am open and receptive to all good. Yes, guys, एक चीज हमेशा ध्यान देना, that whenever you are repeating any affirmation, don't just repeat it for the sake of repeating it. Feel each and every word of it. Feel it. मतलब कहते नहीं कि सेल को फील होना चाहिए वो चीज, and then feel how you would feel once you have accomplished that thing, as if you are experiencing that thing right now, and then say it. Believe me, it's a game changer if you do that. Okay, so repeat this affirmation 10 more times. Notice how you feel. Do you feel liberated? Do this exercise every morning until the end of your mirror work course. It's a wonderful way to increase your prosperity consciousness. Now, the journaling exercise. What are your beliefs about money? Go back to the mirror, look into your eyes, and say, my biggest fear about money is, let's say, my biggest fear about money is, I have been brought up listening to my parents that paise ped pe nahi ugte hain. Something like that, okay? Write down your answers and why you feel this way, like just the way I gave you an example. This was just an example, by the way, okay, guys? My parents never said that to me. What did you learn about money as a child? How were finances handled in your family? How do you handle money now? Write your thoughts down. Do you see any patterns? And yes, believe me, you'll be able to see clearly the patterns, that from where they are coming and why they are coming and how they are coming and how it has got inculcated in you also. Now do some journaling to shift yourself into prosperity thinking. Write down what it would be like to have all the things you have always wanted. What would they be? What would your life look like then? Where would you travel? What would you do? Feel it, enjoy it, be creative, and have fun. Now, your heart thought of the day 18, I am a yes person. I know that I am one with all life. I'm surrounded by and permitted with infinite wisdom. Therefore, I rely totally on the universe. I rely totally on the universe to support me in every positive way. Everything I could possibly need is already here waiting for me. This planet has more food on it than I could possibly eat. There is more money than I could ever spend. There are more people than I could ever meet. There is more love than I could possibly experience. Wow, this is so beautiful. There is more love that I could possibly experience. मतलब आप इतने ज़्यादा ग्रेटफुल हो और इसका आपका विजन ऐसा है प्यार के लिए कि आप पूरे लाइफ टाइम में जितना प्यार एक्सपीरियंस करना चाहते हो उससे भी कई गुना ज्यादा अबंडेंट लव है आपके चारों तरफ. वाह वाह वाह. There is more joy than I can even imagine. This world has everything I need and desire. It is all mine to use and to have. The one infinite mind and the one infinite intelligence always say yes to me. No matter what I choose to believe or think or say, the universe always say yes. I do not waste my time on negative thinking or negative subjects. I choose to see myself and life in the most positive ways. I say yes to opportunities and prosperity. I say yes to all good. I am a yes person living in a yes world, being responded to by a yes universe, and I rejoice that this is so. Wow. Can you see there is such a happy, positive, liberated, amazing, um, like a win-win kind of a vibration when you say yes, yes, I'm a yes person living in a yes world, being responded to by a yes universe, and I rejoice that it is so. Wow. I'm grateful to be one with universal wisdom and backed by universal power. Now, going forward, it's a meditation. Now, what I'm going to do is I am going to upload the recorded meditation for the day 18 on the channel itself. And rest, I will be giving you all the details of the exercises and everything in the group. Okay. So I think you guys understood everything. Yeah. So thank you so much. And remember yourself, you are a magnet to miracle. Thank you so much. Bye, guys. Bye.